Hello everyone, in today's video, I'll be comparing Boxycharm and Allure Beauty Box to help you decide which subscription box is the best fit for you. Make sure to watch until the end for my final verdict. Let's dive into the key differences between these two beauty subscription services. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. The primary difference between Boxycharm and Allure Beauty Box lies in their pricing. The Allure Beauty Box is a more affordable option, costing $23 per month with a promised value of $100 per box. You can also save up to $26 with a yearly subscription. On the other hand, Boxycharm's monthly subscription costs $25 but offers a higher promised value of $175 per box. If you opt for a full year subscription, the cost reduces to $22.92 two box. Allure's $23 subscription provides 3 full-sized items, whereas Boxycharm's $25 subscription includes 5 full-sized items. When it comes to shipping, both services offer free shipping within the US. However, Allure Beauty Box charges $4.95 5 orders under $35 and $8.95 5 shipping to US territories, Hawaii, and Alaska. Boxycharm charges a flat rate of $5 for shipping outside the US. Therefore, Allure Beauty Box is generally cheaper than Boxycharm. In terms of features and customization, Boxycharm stands out with its monthly themes that influence the products you receive, along with tips related to the theme. Allure Beauty Box does not have a monthly theme but includes a mini magazine featuring product details and discounts. Boxycharm allows for greater customization by letting subscribers choose one product each month and creating boxes based on your preferences. In contrast, Allure Beauty Box items are curated by editors. Thus, Boxycharm offers a more personalized experience. Despite these differences, both Boxycharm and Allure Beauty Box share some similarities. Both offer a level of customization through quizzes. Boxycharm provides a beauty quiz, and Allure Beauty Box offers a skincare routine quiz. Additionally, both services provide exclusive discounts, special offers, and perks to their subscribers. To summarize, which is better, Boxycharm or Allure Beauty Box? Personally, I prefer Allure Beauty Box because it allows me to test products at a more affordable price. However, Boxycharm, despite being slightly more expensive, offers more full-size products and the ability to select one product of your choice each month. Ultimately, I choose Boxycharm as the overall winner due to its higher level of customization and the greater value of its products. Be sure to check out the products from the links in our description. Thanks for watching.